Roosters and hens and chickens and roosters out in the pen. Old goats and new goats and goat girls and goat men. Horses and cats and dogs and animals that we find or see. It's the Island Farm Gaming YouTube channel, Animal of the Week. It's the Island Farm Gaming YouTube channel, Animal of the Week.
This week's Allen Farm Gaming Animal of the Week is Fedora. Fedora was born in April of 2024 and is part Silkie, with her father being the Silkie. Fedora is named after a hat that men who are in a midlife crisis wear. Fedora is a part of 3 chickens. Well, I mean, she's in a group with 2 other chickens that like to get out of the chicken area each and every single day, going around all of Allen Farm and checking everything out, looking for worms, grubs, and anything else they can find. This is what Fedora looked like as a baby. Almost nothing like she looks like now. Good for her. Fedora's favorite snacks include eggs and rice and lettuce and anything that we are about to throw out of the refrigerator. She is a steel trap.